Imagine this. You're on your way to work, and you're stuck in traffic. Now, what if the roads could talk to your car and guide you to the least congested route? Yes, you heard me right. The roads talking to your car. It sounds peculiar, but it could be the solution to our everyday commuting woes. We're all too familiar with the frustrations of traffic congestion, the unexpected potholes that appear overnight, and the inefficiencies of our current road systems. Our roads, as they stand today, are static, unresponsive, and frankly, a bit outdated. But what if they weren't? What if our roads could sense traffic, direct us to the quickest route, even repair themselves? It's a concept that might sound like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, a world where the infrastructure communicates with vehicles, making our journeys smoother and safer. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, not anymore. Welcome to the era of smart roads. So what are smart roads? They're not just slabs of asphalt anymore. Imagine a roadway that can sense traffic, react to changing conditions, and even repair itself. This is the concept of smart roads. They are designed to be interactive, responsive, and ever-evolving, turning our traditional understanding of roads on its head. In a world where technology is at the heart of almost everything, roads are finally catching up. The smart road is a blend of engineering and technology, using sensors and the Internet of Things to bring our roadways to life. These sensors embedded within the road can detect traffic flow, monitor weather conditions, and even identify when a road needs repair. This real-time data can be used to manage traffic more effectively, increase safety, and minimize disruptions. This is no longer the realm of science fiction. It's happening now, revolutionizing the way we think about transportation infrastructure. In essence, smart roads transform the passive elements of transportation into active contributors to a smoother and safer ride. How do these smart roads work, you ask? Well, let's delve